How to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can drive traffic to your blog using Pinterest and also how you can make the most money doing that. So firstly, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply come on to Google, and then from over here I'm going to take a blog, for example. So firstly I'm going to create a blog, and then after that I'm going to show you how you can basically get traffic towards that blog. So I'm going to simply type in over here how to lose weight. So like once I type in how to lose weight, I'm gonna see all of these search results come up. So the first one over here, this is basically how to lose weight fast. So I'm gonna open up this one, and then once I open up this one, I can essentially see the whole web page in front of me. So I'm simply gonna take a look over here. So basically, like, they have all these points over here and everything is, basically stated out perfectly. Like there is not anything bad over here. So like all in all, this looks good so far. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna simply open up a new tab, and now I'm gonna type in sites.google.com. So guys, once I type in sites.google.com, I'm going to be able to see this particular web page in front of me. So now from over here, you can essentially create yourself a blog site from over here, or you can create yourself a portfolio, a project, an event manager, a help center, or a dog walker and stuff like that. So I'm going to simply click on the top right where it says template gallery, and then after that I will be able to see all these templates come up. So now from over here, I'm going to basically choose a template that fits my blog niche. So I'm going to simply pick this particular one, the education one at the bottom left. So once I pick this, that is going to take me over to another page. So like once I go over to this page, now from over here, I can essentially, just start to modify this particular website according to my needs. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply delete these image sections by simply choosing them and then pressing delete on my keyboard, and then similarly removing this and stuff like that. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply delete everything that is not needed, because like right now our main focus is basically to put our text over here. So like once all of this is done, now what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply copy the whole blog from over here on this particular website. So I'm going to simply click and drag till the very end, and then I'm going to basically copy everything that is over here. So I'm going to go till the very end, and now over here this is the end. So I'm going to simply scroll back up, and now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to select all of this text, I'm going to remove it, and then I'm simply going to paste the blog text over here. So once I do this, I essentially have myself a blog which is honestly very lengthy and contains very nice information. So now that I have this, I'm going to simply rename this to Weight Loss Guide 101. So once I type in this, now what I can do is I can simply click on the top right and click on publish if I want to, but if I want to add images or anything, I can also add that from the right side. So I'm going to click on publish, and then after that I am going to simply type in an address over here. So I'm going to type in weight loss 101 and 321. So like basically this is a very random address. I mean, like obviously your blog is gonna have a domain and then a .com after that, but like I don't have a blog right now, so I'm simply gonna do that. So once I do this, I'm gonna click on publish, and now I have myself my blog site up and ready. So I'm simply gonna view it right now. And now over here, I can see my weight loss guide 101 over here. So I'm simply going to copy the link of my blog page. And now I want you to come on to Pinterest.com. So now when I come on to Pinterest.com, from over here, I will be able to see this dashboard in front of me. So from over here, I can basically just sign up quickly by clicking on the top right corner where it says sign up, or I can simply scroll down. And then once I scroll down, I will see the sign up page over here as well. So like simply sign up with your email, with your password, with your age. Now make sure you are over 18, because that is the only way you will get accepted into this particular website. So like once you have all of that done, now I'm going to catch you guys in just a second once I've signed up myself. So once you've signed up, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, you have everything about Pinterest. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on the bottom right where it says the plus button. Now, once you click on the plus button, click on create a pin. And then after that, simply wait for a few seconds. And then from over here, you can simply paste your blog's link over here. So like there you go. Once you publish it on Pinterest, after that, you will honestly get a lot of traffic on your particular sites.google.com domain, or whatever your blog is. Now guys, if you have a blog, then obviously you will have ads on it to make money. But let's say you're an absolute beginner. How are you gonna make money right now? So like, let's say you were following this exact same strategy and you wanna make money. So for that, there is another way, and that is by simply coming on to basically clickbank.com. So guys, when you come on to clickbank.com, this is basically an affiliate marketplace which you can use to actually make money while you don't have any sponsors. So click on the top right where it says sign up, and then after that, wait for a couple of seconds, and that is going to basically take you over to their sign up page. So guys, once you go over on their sign up page, from over there you can simply fill out their sign up page and you can get started ASAP within a few seconds. So simply put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password and everything, and once you like fill in all that information, after that simply like continue to their terms and conditions, and then simply join Clickbank ASAP. And that is basically how you sign up on Clickbank. So once you've done that, and now I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second once I log in myself. So once you've signed up, from over here you will see this dashboard in front of you. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look at the left side, and I want you to pick a category depending upon what your blog is about. My blog is about weight loss guides, so I'm simply gonna click on weight loss or like health and fitness from over here from the left side. So once I do that, I will essentially see all the products that are present in the weight loss category. So we have this first product that is gonna pay us $140 if you were to like promote this particular product and get sales for this particular product. So like guys, honestly, that is amazing. And like $140 from just one person is absolutely mind-boggling. So when you come on to Clickbank, you have to actually take a look at a couple of things. Firstly is the graph. You have to make sure that the graph is more than 100. If a product has a graph less than 100, well then that product is not exactly the best product. So like now what I want you to do, I want you to simply click on promote, or like simply go through all of these products, and then once you find the product, click on promote, click on generate hop links, and now you have your affiliate link in front of you. Simply copy this particular affiliate link, and now simply come back to sites.google.com, and then simply simply type in over here best way to lose weight. So like once you type in this, after that simply refresh your page, and then if you don't see your text over here, click on publish once again, and then after that simply click on publish from the top right. So like once you do that, your site is going to be published, and then simply copy the URL of your site and come back to Pinterest. Now replace this URL, and now you have that particular site over here. So now we have everything done in terms of making money and like having a blog. Now comes the most important part, having a catchy thumbnail. So for that, I want you to come on to canva.com. So guys, canva.com is basically a platform through which you can design different thumbnails, Pinterest posts, and so many more options using this particular application. So just wait for a couple of seconds while this loads up completely. So now simply type in over here pin. Now once you type in pin, after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will see a Pinterest pin option over here. So you can basically just design a quick thumbnail using this particular website, and like it's gonna be really fast. We have videos on how to use canva.com, so you can just simply use Canva, and then like if you want even more details, well like simply watch that video and you will understand everything on Canva. So like once you have your thumbnail, click on this button and then simply upload your picture over here. So once you have your picture, simply type in over here, this is the best way to lose weight in 2021. So once you type in this, after that type in caps at top, weight loss 101. So once you do that, click on save, and now your particular pin is going to be saved on Pinterest, and Pinterest gets over 1 billion people every single month from the US, from Canada, from Australia, from all over the world, but mainly from the UK, and you can expect to make quite a lot of money when 1 billion people actually come by your particular website and your affiliate links. So guys, like that is basically how you make money using Pinterest on your blog. So like simply replace the link which I put with your blog, and then simply add affiliate programs, add ads on your blog, and you will get a lot of traffic and you will actually make quite a lot of money. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, until next time, goodbye.